Hello and welcome to this video here on the AM Language YouTube channel with me, Richie. In this short video, I'm going to give you a really good language tip while talking about Netflix. Now, the language point that I'm going to look at here is the difference between much and many. But let's first have a little look at Netflix. So I'm here on Netflix, and the thing about Netflix is that, well, there are many options that we can look at. There are many films, there are many TV shows, and you'll notice that I'm saying many movies, many TV shows, many films. You can hear that I'm using many with the plural form of the nouns. However, since the start of COVID, you might be in the same situation as I am, and a few teachers as well. We've watched an awful lot of Netflix during this COVID period, and what happens is the options begin to shrink and the options become smaller and smaller. So although there are many options, there's no longer that much choice. Now notice I used much choice. I didn't say much choices because much goes with either an uncountable noun or a noun in its singular form. So at the moment, for instance, let's have a little look. Can I see anything here? Oh gosh, top end, no, I haven't seen that. Yesterday, no. This is it. There's not, I can also say there's no longer that much of a range. Again, I didn't say ranges, I said range. There's not that much of a range of things to choose from. Here I'm on action at the moment, and I've seen most of these. John Wick is an excellent one. So yeah, that's the difference between much and many. Please look on the left-hand side of the screen where you can see more examples of how you can use much and many. And please leave your suggestions in the comments section below on, well, what type of Netflix films or TV shows you would recommend watching that you think we might not have seen. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, and learn English in Malta with us.